Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Alpha Pack. Here we have the 2012 Can-Am Outlander 1000, and it just went under the knife and had the XMR diff from an 800 installed into it. So, Project Venom got a new upgrade of an XMR rear diff. So this should help in this mud bike. That's what it's basically built for. Get where it needs to go again, and it has no more noise. The noise is now gone due to a whole new rear end. We'll have to figure out the other one's issue later. But yeah, everything looks good. Came out nice. I'm very happy with it. Just like I said, you got to swap out the yoke on the tranny side, and this back plate, you have to have the correct one for this. It's different right in here, and up on the sides it's wider. This can be the same from the XT. So yeah, everything fit up good, bolted up right. And I took it for a little test drive, and I must say it rips. There's no backlash. There's no, you don't feel when you let off the gas that there's even, any slack in that diff whatsoever. So it feels nice and tight, good. I think we're gonna be good with that. And so now I just got to put the plastics back on after I clean it up, of course, a little bit. It's a little dirty. For sure. Everybody knows you get stuff in there. I always thought of like putting some expanding foam in there or something, and cutting it down, and then that way mud wouldn't get all caked in there, but whatever. Maybe one day. But anyway, just wanted to give y'all an update on that. So now we have a torque locker in the front, and we have the XMR rear diff in the rear with the XMR prop shaft and an XT yoke for the tranny. Everything else was just changed. Oils, tranny fluid, front diff fluid, oil for the motor. So, and there's new fluid in the rear diff. There's no noise at all. I put it back together, got everything nice and tight. No noise at all, which is really nice. And garage products, those bushings, and this bushing here definitely help with that noise in the back, that popping noise, if y'all ever have an issue with that. I'm sure you will at some point. But this is all tight. I made sure that was tight, but that's what you got to swap out right there. Right there. To the one that the XT had on the drive shaft. So, well, look, guys, that's about it on the Outlander right now. But if y'all would hit that like, subscribe, share, appreciate it. And if y'all have any comments or suggestions on maybe what to do next with the Audi here over at Alpha Pack, I'd love to hear. So y'all let me know. Till the next one, y'all, take it easy.